Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 16. So, all of our major projects are done. You've written 3 papers. You've done a lot of work analyzing things and digging into readings and looking at issues like ethos and pathos and logos and audience and purpose and tone and all that stuff. And this week, you're going to be taking some time to reflect on the work that you've done and the skills that you've learned. So you have a couple different ways that you can submit your PowerPoint presentation. Because this is an asynchronous class and we're not meeting in time and we obviously don't meet in person, you can just submit the PowerPoint. If you want to create the PowerPoint and record yourself over the top, kind of the way that I do on my PowerPoints, you can, and load it up to YouTube. If you want to have a presentation for your friends or family and have them record you, kind of the way some of the sample student presentations are, you can do that too. You can embed the sound into the PowerPoint, but it takes a very long time for me to download those. And it's difficult with the internet that I have at home, and I don't know at this point, as I'm recording this, if I'll be able to be on campus to download those. So just kind of take that into consideration when you're deciding what to do. The other assignment you have is to look at a sample student presentation and then to talk about it in your discussion folder. So my number one tip is to watch the sample presentations first and do the discussion forum and then go and do your presentation. Some of the sample student presentations you only need to watch. I'm looking right now to see how many. I think I loaded like about 8. Looks like 8 or 9. You only have to watch 3 or 4 of them. The one about presentation good and bad examples doesn't count. That's just a video about how to do a good presentation. But the other ones are pretty interesting, and I think you can pick whichever ones you like on whatever topic you decide you want to hear about. But I do. One of the learning outcomes for this class is that you watch and evaluate a presentation. So I want you to think about which one was the best that you watched and why, and which one was the worst and why, and then discuss that with your peers before you do your assignment. So that's it. That's my tips for the week. This is our last assignment, and I hope that you learned something, and I hope that this class helped you in building some of your skills to reach the amazing goals I heard about week 1. Thanks, everyone.